Hi everyone, Paul Lange with Disciplined Trading Strategies. This week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 12/15 of 2019. It'll be the last play of the week for the year. This is for the stock PG. This happened on Thursday the 12th. It was based on a 60-minute retest and failure pattern, also really off the daily chart as well. Entering on a 1-minute secondary sign of weakness. The management simple rewards risk about 1.9 to 1. Before we get to that, free stuff this week will be nothing. We're drawing the year to an end here at DTS. The end of this week will be shut down for the rest of the year. Hope you all have a great, happy, and safe holiday season. The next play of the week and our next market summary will be coming out Sunday, January 5th. This is the daily chart of PG, and it's what it looked like before the day of the trade. The issue here was we had this long time kind of, you might want to call it a triple top high, or this major resistance area that formed. And then the day of the trade, this thing tried to pop above that. That's a short when it tries to do that. And it ended up turning red for that particular day. It doesn't mean the stock is weak on the daily chart necessarily, but this was a day trade. If we take a look at the hourly chart, you'll see we have kind of a similar thing happening. The hourly chart looks more bullish, and without the daily chart, I wouldn't have done this. But you can see right here, that's a topping tail. We rallied up that day, we rallied up this day, rallied up this day. And then on the day of the trade, the thing tried to pop above there, and once again, it fell. So that's where I went into short based on the strategy off the daily and the 60-minute chart. The top of that topping tail right there on the 60-minute chart is what you're going to see here on the 5-minute chart, and ran up, and that's where it topped out for the day. Because the hourly chart was a little questionable, rather than shorting on the way up or shorting the very top, I actually waited for a secondary sign of weakness on the way down. You don't see it on the 5-minute chart, but it came right inside there, entry 125.56 and stop 126.02. You'll be able to see that a little bit better on the next slide with the 1-minute chart. The first drop, getting close to the minor support area, if it was going to stay in an uptrend, taken there at 125.11. Target 2, I didn't realize until the end of the day that I kind of gypped myself on target 2. That topping tail took me out on a trail stop on target 2, and that ended up being the weakest part of this. I'm good with target 1 given the nature of this trade. Target 2 would have been nice if I could have held on for that tail. I could have gotten that much lower because target 3 was a great target, really coming off the low of the day right there at 124.13. Overall, a great trade. I feel a little cheated on target 2 though. This is the 1-minute chart, and you can see the run up, and right in there is where that short came on the way down on the 1-minute chart. So not trying to grab this on the way up because of the uncertainty on the hourly chart. And you can see the entry 125.56, stop 126.02. And on here you can see target 1 on that little drop down to there, but then of course target 2 and target 3 are off of this chart. This trade, like all the others, done in the DTS Trading Room, where the trades are found, explained, reviewed, and you have plenty of time to play along if you want to. If you're interested in the DTS Trading Room, come join us for a month, or you can also sign up for a 1-week trial. Go to the DTS website and go to the services page. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.